What is life? It is the existence of human beings and animals. And in order to live our lives, we must overcome any obstacles. It is do or die. Wherever your status in life is, it will always be hard. You need to adapt or to adjust. You need to survive.
By the way guys, may binigay ba na assignment si ma'am?
Yung essay about life pa? Oo, nakagawa na ba kayo? Nakapagpasa na ako. Ako nakapagpasa na. Ako din.
Shit, ang sipag talaga.
Siyempre naman.
Ganun ba yun?
yun. So, what is life?
Life is, it is the existence of human beings and animals.
Google ka naman eh. In your own perspective, Yaka, what is life?
It's complicated guys. We insist on making it complicated.
Confucius wisdom. Life is simple, but we insist on making it complicated.
Sheesh! Native speaker? Kaya tapo natin yun eh.
Yeah.
We insist on making it complicated. It's true. Pero sa case ni Syria, her father is the one who complicates her life. But in Michelle's case, poverty is the one complicating her life.
Eh, ano nga sinulat niya sa essay? Lalim? Sibo na yun?
Ano nga?
Parang
iba naman kami sa'yo.
Ano nga, te? Sabihin mo.
Ano to, Syria? 27/50? Ano to? Ha?
Nakapasa naman po ako.
Napasa? O, tinatabad ka na mag-aral.
Seryoso ka pa? Tinatamad? Hindi na nga makapag-focus sa studies ko kasi ako lahat gumagawa dito sa bahay. All you do here is eat and sleep. Yung responsibilidad mo as a father, napasa sa akin lahat. Ako na nga nag-aasikaso sa kapatid ko. Kasi ikaw wala ka namang dyan. Hindi mo na nga kami kinakamusta eh.
Binibigay ko naman lahat ng pangangailangan nyo, ah.
Kulang pa din yun pa.
Paano nagkulang? Ano, ilata ka na lang dyan? Pinagsasabihan ka na maayos? Ha? Diyan ka na lang? Ano, ilata ka na lang dyan? Ikaw, isa ka ba?
I'm trying my best din
Ano?
pa. Tawa na pa, tigilan mo na. Pagod na rin ako, pagod na ako. Sana pagpahingayin niyo rin ako. Pagod na ako marinig lahat ng disappointment mo sa akin. Ayoko na, pagod na ako! Well, life is precious. Even though it can be harsh, we still learned how to appreciate it and survive it. Yun yung sinulat ko.
Yung Mama's Girl panungin natin.
Oo nga. Serious yan.
Ano sinulat mo sa essay?
Bakit ngayon ka lang? Saan ka galing?
Gumawa na po kami ng project, ma.
Project, Michelle? Aminin mo nga, saan ka galing?
Ma'am, may tinapos na po talaga kami project. Ate, huwag mong sabihin sinabi mo kay mama.
Sorry, nadulas ako.
Pero ang sabi ko sa'yo, huwag mong sasabihin kay mama na naghahanap ako ng trabaho, di ba?
Diyos ko, sinabi ko, di ba? Ayoko na may tinatago sa akin.
Pero kung gusto ko lang naman makatulong at alam ko naman na kinakapos na tayo.
Anak, ang gusto ko lang naman, makapagtapos sa pag-aaral.
Pero ma, gusto ko talagang makatulong.
Tigilan mo na yung pagsasilid mo. Nagawa naman ako parang nagkatrabaho naman ako, di ba?
Life isn't fair, but it made me see how good it can be when you're surrounded by the people you love the most.
O ano, Reggie, na sinulat mo?
Wala akong sinulat.
Nahiya pa siya eh. Wala nga mas ninulat. Wala akong maisip eh.
We insist on making it complicated. True. Well, I'm the one who complicates my life. I always overthink what people will say about me, forcing me to just stay inside my own closet.
Life is colorful, but society forces us to view it in black and white.
Hello? Nasaan ka? Bakit?
May bibigay ako sa'yo.
Sige, punta ako dyan.
Nakita ko to sa gamit ng kapatid ko.
Sige, salamat.
Hello?
Hello? Asan kayo?
Ano yun? Nandito kami sa bahay, naglalaro kami ng Roblox.
Alam niyo na ba?
Bakit? Ano nangyari?
Pupuntahan ko kayo.
Ano nangyari?
Bakit? Ano nangyari?
Hindi ko rin alam eh. Papunta raw siya dito. Hintayin na lang natin.
Sige, mamaya na tayo maglaro.
Sige, hintayin na lang natin.
I wasn't expecting that this would happen to us. I expected worst thing that would most likely come into my life, but never this. If you're reading this, I'm probably dead. I'll just want to say what I want to say to all of you. Thank you, Jackie. Thank you, Regeline, for being my best friends. Thank you for being my support system and for being part of my life. You both kept me alive for who knows how long, and I'm grateful for that. Sorry kung mauna na ako sa inyo. Hindi ko na kasi kaya. I tried my best to surpass all of this. Pero sobra na kasi. I'm done with Papa's disappointments and I'm done with chasing Papa's expectations. Ayoko na. I still have so many reasons why I did this, pero ayoko na lang i-share. And I'll take it with me down to the grave. Sorry. Take care of each other, and I hope you both achieve whatever you guys want to achieve. Please don't let me be the reason why both of you will stop moving forward in life. Continue on living life, hindi na para sa akin, hindi para sa inyo. Magkikita-kita rin tayo. With all my love, Syria.
Narinig ko na siya. Ako rin.
Tama nga si Syria. Life is precious. Even though it can be harsh, we still learn how to appreciate it and continue to survive.
Depression took you from us, but it will not define your legacy. Your life mattered, your story mattered, and your struggles mattered. You are so much more than your depression, and we'll carry your memory with us, celebrating your strengths, your passions, and your beauty. If we could go back in time, we'd tell you how much you mean to us, how much we admired your courage, and how much we believed in you. We tell you that you were loved, that you were valued, and that you were enough. Rest in peace, dear friend. You may be free from the pain now, but your memory will continue to inspire us to be a better person, to spread love and kindness, and to fight for a world where everyone can live without fear of judgment or rejection. You're not alone, and there is hope for healing and recovery. We love you and will miss you every day.